super simple play. Move with Caitie. We all fall down.
Ooh, may I please have a turn?
Of course.
It's a clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Oh, look, I think it's time for your turn.
It's the sun. Whew, it's sure hot. I hope you all have your sunscreen on.
Where did I put that circle? Oh, hi. It's nice to see you. You haven't seen a big circle around, have you? Oh, I think I see it. Come on.
Anyone hungry?
I am.
Hey, what have you got there?
It's a yummy pizza.
No, wait. It's a steering wheel. Beep, beep.
That's amazing. Well, looks like we found our circle.
Oh, hi.
Hi. I love that you're using your imaginations to turn the circle into other things. Hey, can I have a turn with the circle?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. You know what? My idea for the circle needs a little bit more space for moving around. So, follow me. Beep, beep.
Yay.
Beep, beep, beep.
Bing, 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 bing.
My idea is to move in a circle. We'll move around the circle and try out different ways of moving. Oh, and I have a secret surprise move to show you too.
Ooh, surprise move.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. We all fall down. Can you try that? You can try it too. We all fall down. That's it. All right, let's get up and let's walk around the circle. Walk around the circle, walk around the circle. Walking, walking, we all fall down. That's it. Let's try it again. Let's get up on our feet. Here we go. Walk around the circle, walk around the circle. Walking, walking, we all fall down. Let's try a different move this time.
Let's try hopping.
Ooh, fun! Let's hop around the circle. Hop around the circle, hop around the circle. Hopping, hopping, we all fall down. Does anyone else have another idea for a move?
Let's try skipping.
That's a great one. Can we skip around the circle? Skip around the circle, skip around the circle. Skipping, skipping, we all fall down.
I got one. Let's try twirling.
Twirling? What? Twirling in a circle around the circle? Okay. Woo. Twirl around the circle, twirl around the circle. Twirling, twirling, we all fall down. Woo. I'm feeling very dizzy.
Me too. How about we tiptoe this time?
Hey, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
We can tiptoe and be really quiet. Shh. Tiptoe around the circle, tiptoe around the circle. Tiptoe, tiptoe, we all fall down. Hey, I got a silly idea. Let's pretend to be a horse and we can march around the circle. Here we go. March around the circle, march around the circle. Marching, marching, we all fall down. You know what? I think my horse wants to go a little faster.
Mine too.
Can we trot this time?
Yeah.
All right, giddy up. Trots around the circle, trots around the circle. Trotting, trotting, we all fall down. Can we go even faster?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's try galloping.
Ooh, okay.
Let's do it.
Giddy up, horsey. Gallop around let's try one more. For our last one, let's go super slow. Slow motion. Yay! Walk around the circle. Walk around the circle. Walking, walking, we all fall down. Great job! So much fun.
Who knew you could have so much fun with one circle?
I know.
My favorite move was pretending to be the horse. Nay!
I like the falling down part.
Oh, the super surprise move.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
So much fun.
Did you have fun moving and playing with the circle too? I had a lot of fun moving and playing with you. We'll see you again soon, and we'll move together some more. Maybe in a square next time.
A square?
Square?
Oh yeah, anything's possible with a little imagination and movement. Bye, friends.
Oh wait, can we do one more surprise move?
Yeah, let's do it, everybody up. Ready?
We all fall